we are sisters, if you didn't know that already. I'm the younger one.
And I'm the older one.
Okay.
And I'm the pregnant one.
Yes.
Guess what?
We found out Amelia's gender.
We can't tell them though.
Yeah,
They might
I
not
know.
have seen it yet.
I know, but... Oh no, they've already seen it. They've already seen it.
If you haven't seen the gender reveal, go check it out. But I'm having... Should I tell them?
Wait, no, don't tell them. Go
check it out.
Go watch our video. It should be the one before this video.
Yes.
Yes.
Very exciting.
It is very exciting.
I'm due in January 30th-ish. So you can watch our nursery videos that's coming up and all sorts of things. And we're going to do a lot of DIYs.
So stick around, like and subscribe to see more content, baby content, DIY content,
Lifestyle.
room transformation content.
So what are we doing today, Bridie?
So today we're making faux or fake ceramic decor using ugly items from your op shop, thrift store, whatever you call it. So there's just outdated items that we have found that are vases or bowls, and then we're going to paint them to be a ceramic look, which is amazing.
Yeah, so it can be put on your shelf or on your coffee table. You can put fake
Dry flowers in it.
or fake ones. Anyway, should we paint?
Yes.
But before we paint, let's show you how to paint them and what to do. This is our little secret ingredient. Can you guess what this is? What is it, Bridie?
It's baking soda.
Or bicarb soda.
Oh yeah, bicarb soda. For this DIY, we're going to be using bicarb soda and paint to make the ceramic look. You can use baking soda, but I have heard that it dries out quicker. If you use baking powder, it dries out quicker, but baking soda probably gives it more of a texture than baking powder.
The idea of this is to make more like a rough sort of gritty look on the outside of your vase.
That makes it look like ceramics.
Yeah, like clay.
All right, so let's get painting.
So you want to put in 1 part paint of your choice. This is like a charcoal grey. I might add some white to it to lighten it up a bit. So it's going to be a bit more of a lighter grey, not so dark. Hopefully like more of a charcoaly cement grey. Then you want to add 1 part bicarb, matching how much paint you put in, and mix away. So if it starts to foam up, it's a good thing because it creates like a texture, like a sandy, gritty texture, and you just want to add some more. You could always add more bicarb if you want to make more of a texture involved. More is better in this case. I love it. Oh, that's getting better. Now it should be like a good thickness, more of not such a runny paint, more of a like a paste almost. So when you're painting, you want to go in a circular motion around the object, because that's implying that it's been on the ceramic wheel where you make the ceramic, so it's not like up and down straight lines, so it's more rough and round.
So I have more of a light, warm cement sort of color for my ceramic vase, and so we're just going to continue painting and then we will show you the end results.
So we've just used an acrylic paint. It doesn't have to be anything fancier than that. And as you can see, we're doing the round motion to create the more of a handmade on the wheel clay ornament. So that makes it look more realistic rather than just going downwards.
So we got these ceramics for only $2 from the op shop, and I'm just interested to see if the design on this one's actually going to come through, but it looks like it's going to be covered up. So for bright colored vases, you probably need to do 2 layers, but if you have like the same color, like it's white, and you just want to add the texture, you probably just need to do 1 layer.
Well, we've completed our vases. How cool do they look?
They look super cool, and we went with more of a texture look, so you can go less baking soda to make it like a little bit more smoother, but we liked the more handmade look to it.
And the reason we chose these colors is because we're going to be transforming a friend of Bridie's husband Michael's house. So he wants us to do pretty much his whole house almost.
Yeah, so we're doing a few rooms there, and these are a sneak peek in some of the colours we'll be using.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is such an easy thing that you can make at home with anything around the house, or you can go op shopping. Most of these were like $2 to $3 each.
Super cheap.
Yeah, and it's so effective.
Oh yeah, we noticed when we were painting on the ceramics that it was easier to paint on things that were a little bit more smoother in texture. If they had, say, like little bumps or like grooves, yeah, it was harder to get the grout in. You might need to do 2 layers.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway, we hope you enjoyed. We certainly did, and you'll see these coming in our next few videos and as how we style them.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Sounds good. Well, hope you can make these at home, and
let us know if you do.
Send a photo or put a comment below saying I did it. Follow us on Instagram and tag us in what you've done from our videos as well. That'd be really cool to see.
And we also did a TikTok video on this DIY, so if you want to go check out our new account on TikTok, it's at Amelia and Bridie as well.
Have a great week. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Alright, so we're mixing our colours and we're going to get started on the painting.
What?
I'm not ready. Oh, you're not ready. Oh, okay. Now she's ready. So you're going to eat it.
Alright, ready? Go.
Goodbye. Mommy was, and then Mommy was. Where Buddy going? This time, make this book mine, and this with this book, this thing, and look, even that this and that.
Or something like that. Yeah. And I just, then you just hope that there's not
Made this thing.
Is it pretty?
Pretty. This pretty.
But I assume there's only one point where you can actually go to New South Wales. Right? It's not like you can go to any...
Bundle.
Okay, bye.
Yes.